Actually, we are proud to be the supplier to City Hall because recently City Hall got a lot of power failure. So we are proud that we are the only supplier to City Hall. Of course, we can provide the electrical to local people, and of course local people will be very happy. Yeah, that's our main point. And of course, that's a main concern of your president also. Yeah.
Sir, are you aware of the problem from the past, knowing that there's a problem existing here in Siquijor? Do you think this is the one that the one that you supply will not repeat those problems?
Oh, of course, I'm aware of the last incident. That's Siquijor. We are also the supplier. Okay, but we are very, very confident. Our company, United Power.
You're the supplier on the last.
Correct. But the problem is not come to our side. Our generator is very, very good. So I'm very confident. Our company, United Power Renters, we are very 100% confident there will no repeat situation like last time.
What are the equipment that you supply now, sir?
We supply, of course, our core of business generator, diesel generators. Our generator is Cummins originals. We supply.
It came from what country?
UK.
UK, United Kingdom. The generator.
Correct.
Okay.
So we also supply transformer.
Okay.
We supply diesel tank. We also supply loop bank. And also we have a big customer. We have a project in Masbate, Mindoro, Palawan. Of course, the latest project is Siquijor.
Lastly, sir, what is your message to the Siquijor people or the province of Siquijor with regards to this? What's your message?
Okay, regarding this, the concerns of the people, like what I mentioned earlier, most important, the locals must have electricity. Of course, Siquijor is a part of the tourist resource. So all this, once there's a blackout, there's no business for the local people here. So with our generator as a backup to the electrical power, I hope the local people will be happy with the electrical in constant. They have they have electrical city. So everything in place, they have their business, and the people are very happy. Yeah.